In this video guys, we will be talking about Facebook, and we will be talking about some of the tricks that you can use so that you can reach out to specific audience for your organic post, like whatever post that you are doing for your page. Like you can reach out to the specific age group people, specific gender people, and the location they are in, and the language that they speak. So again, if you can see here, so I will be telling you the tools that you can use to reach out to that. Apart from that, I will be talking about competitor analysis also, page creations also. So watch this video till the end to get all this information out of this video. Hi, this is Kautil Roshan, and today we will be talking about Facebook marketing, how we can do Facebook marketing for free, what are the options that we can leverage to like anti our businesses if we are doing for our own, or in case if I am in the client business or in the company, how I can use this method to gain more and more, like you can say, likes, comments, or inquiries for my business. So watch the video till the end to get all the information about Facebook marketing, and we will be talking mostly in this video about the organic marketing. So those who are new to the channel, they can subscribe my channel, so they get frequent update about digital marketing. Now let's open the Facebook and see things practically, how one by one we can do Facebook marketing and how we can get more results out of Facebook. Let me show you. So here you can say Facebook. So first thing, as a brand, like what I need is basically guys, is I need a page. So first thing for a Facebook marketing you need is a page. So how to create a page? Let's see that. If you have a page, that is a good, but if you don't have, you can create the page by clicking on this 9 dots. So once you click on 9 dots guys, here you can see the page option. So you can click on that page. Here you can give the page name. So whatever page name I want, I can go and I can give that. For example, suppose I want to give Lucky Hanson. So something like that I can go and I can have, and then again I can choose the category. So suppose it is for marketing, so I can go and I can choose marketing agency. If it is a magazine, so I can go and I can choose magazine. If it's a makeup artist, so I can go and I can choose like that. So according to whatever our pages is, I can go and I can choose that. Then I can write here the descriptions. And guys, always remember, we have to write a description in a way so that people, when they come to my page, they come to know like, okay, this is what this page is all about and all. So that is a main thing whenever you are creating a page. Always remember, description should be good so that people come and they see and they understand, okay, this page is about this. Then afterwards you can click on create page. Remember, 255 character is the limit. Now you can add the profile picture. You can click on that, and again I can go and I can have like, particularly I can upload from my computer whatever logo of my company and all, and whatever the cover pictures that I want, I can go and I can upload that basically. So again I can go and I can upload anything that I want, basically depending upon whatever I want. Suppose I want to upload this, so I can go and I can upload, and I can drag and I can reposition with that. So it depends upon whatever pic you want to have, cover photo or profile photo, and then you can save that. It is advisable to always keep cover photo about your recent launches, recent offers, or the product or services that you are offering. And profile photo, again many companies keep it their logo, so if you want you can also keep the logo in the profile photo, and then afterwards you can save that guys. So once you saved, after uploading this cover photo and all, you can go here and you can add the phone number. So again you can go and you can add the WhatsApp number here. So you can go and you can have, like suppose if I want to give my number, so I can go and I can give here the number that I want. For example, suppose I am randomly typing it, so it's like suppose 11. So I can go and I can click on send code. So when I click on send code, so again particularly you can say this number does not associated with WhatsApp or WhatsApp business. So again that number should be in WhatsApp, so you will get the code, and after that particularly you will fill that code and your WhatsApp will be connected to that page. Now after that, particularly next thing you need to do is you can click on this, like particularly if you want a this profile pic, you can go and you can go here, view photo. So again, okay, so here particularly if I want to change that, I can click on edit profile photo. I want this, suppose, so I can drag and I can save whatever I want. So I can make it little bigger, little smaller, and I can go and I can save that. Then afterwards, guys, here I can see here, like if I want to change this also I can change. Then afterwards I can add a button is call to action, means what action I want users to take on my page. Suppose I want them to follow, I want them to see my like view my gift card option, book anything I am providing, like services that they can book, particularly they can call, contact. So depending upon my business, I can go and I can choose, like learn more, I can take them to my website where I can showcase my product or services. So according to that, we can choose whatever we want. In case of e-commerce, I can go with shop on a website. So suppose I want people to follow me, so I can go and I can click on follow. So again here follow button will be coming. Then again if you want to change that, you can click on edit and you will be changing that options and all. Then afterwards here you can see here service options is there. So you can go and you can add a service. For example, suppose if I want to add a service, like suppose SEO service, I can go and I can add that. And again, what is this fixed price or starting at? So suppose it is starting at 5,000, and again description it is a, and again here price is in dollars, so I have to keep in mind while doing that. So suppose like what I will do, I will keep it around, like you can say $60. So I will keep it $60. It is a starting price for SEO services. So like that I can have basically. And then afterwards another thing, like what I am providing, like suppose I am providing keyword research and all that, so I will be mentioning that. Then afterwards here you can see here the appointment duration. If people want to take appointment, how they can take that. So again like 1 hour, 30 minutes or 1 hour, and then again any like extra time if they want, I can go and I can have. And I can go here, I can add the images. So I can go here and I can add whatever images I want. Suppose I want this, so I can go and I can add this images and I can click on save. So once it is saved particularly, so again service is added. Just like this, if you want, you can go and you can add multiple services, guys. Then here we have reviews page. So again like particular people can come and they can give the reviews to my services and all. So this again is important in case you are working as a service or product. So again here if people start giving you reviews like you're happy customers and all, so that again will grab attention among the people. Then afterwards we have shop option. So again if you go to shop option, so again like shop option is limited in some area. So again like for you, if shop option is coming, you can go and you can create that shop option, or particularly as of now it is a new page, so again you might have to wait for some time, then afterwards you can apply for that. Or again in case if you need that shop option, what you can do, you can go here, you can go to help and support, you can click on that and you can click on report a problem. So here you can go something went wrong, so you can choose a area here, whatever area it specify, and then again you can write here the details like shop option is not coming and you can add the screenshot. So again what will happen here, it will be like send. Then afterwards particularly if we talked about, I can go here basically like after that I will highly advise to complete all these things, basically like establish your company identity and all, whatever they are saying you need to fill that. So again you can see this 5 step is completed, then afterwards 2 step is left. So I can invite my friend to like my page, so that at the initial stage it will help people recognize, okay, this page is getting liked, their post is getting liked and all, so they might be coming and asking me about the services. So at the starting, to get some engagement, it is advisable to invite the friends. And then again I can create a post. So whatever post I want to introduce this page, or I want to introduce myself, so I can create the post and that I can post. So this is first thing you need as a business basically. Then afterwards, what I will advise, as per your product or services guys, you should be always like making this like first, second, third. For example, if I want to rearrange this, so I can click on more option, and here you can go to the edit tab. So once you go to the edit tab, whatever you want first. So suppose I want offers on the first, so I can keep it offers. I want review on the second, so I can go and I can do that. So whatever I want, I can go and I can, if I'm managing any group, I can go with that. Any live videos you go with, so you can go and you can have this, you can keep it on. So depending upon whatever work like you are doing, or whatever kind of product or like services you are providing, you can arrange this tab. So I will highly advise, as per your advantage, you should be doing that. And apart from that, the second thing that we have is like particularly doing the competitor analysis. So how we can do the competitor analysis, let's see. So again, I will go, like suppose I want to search for digital marketing course. I want to know what are the digital marketing course pages that we have. So I can go here, digital marketing course, and I can click on return. Then afterwards, here after pressing enter, basically I can go and I can see here the pages. So I will click on pages guys, and I can know here all the pages. So one by one I can go and I can check their details, like what kind of post they are making, what time they are posting and all. So to get a brief idea about how they are going about their social media plan, and especially Facebook plan. Now suppose I want to check for any particular location, that is also possible. So I can go to the location guys, and here I can type whatever location I am looking for. So suppose I am looking for Bangalore, so I can go and I can type Bangalore, India. Now you can see all the things that we have, all the people that are dealing with digital marketing course. I can go and I can see that basically. So just like this, we can go and we can do the research. Similarly, if I want to like you can say find the post, so I can go and I can see the post related to digital marketing. If I want to find the photos, video, I can go and I can do that. If I want groups, I can find that groups. And if I want events, so I can see whatever the events that we have in the digital marketing. So again, to take an idea of how people are going about their marketing and all, I highly recommend to go with this method to see like what they are doing, how you can go and how you can do about that. Now again, like suppose if I have multiple clients and I want to manage multiple clients page, so obviously like it could be from different countries, like suppose some are from US, some are from Canada, some are from Dubai, or any different parts of the world. So I can't be wake up at 24 hours to post something on social media. So what I will do, I can use their tool, that is Creator Studio. So Creator Studio is again a very good tool guys. Creator Studio is very good tool for scheduling the content. So I can go and I can schedule the content basically. So I can go here and you can see here Facebook is all there. So I can go and I can click on create new, and I can click on create post, and then afterwards I can choose whatever page that I want. So suppose like the Scotland Ocean page I want, or any other page I want, I can go and I can have that. So for example, I can go here and I can type here particularly the whatever I want to write. And suppose I want to add photos, I can go and I can add photos. I can tag the locations here. An option is you can use this newsfeed targeting. So again, if you use newsfeed targeting, what will happen? Only your selected audience and their friends will see the post, it will not be shown to everybody. So if I select this, so again you can select here, particularly if you want to show to the all people, if you want to show to the men's or women's or any particular location, and you can save that. So again, what can happen particularly with this, it's like I can suppose only women's will be getting my post, or if I go with men's, only men's will be getting my post. So again, it is very good options that we can select, so that as per our product or service or any language specific product is there, so we can go and we can choose that. So we can click on save, so it will be saved, and then afterwards I can go and I can click on this drop down, guys, and again I can go and I can schedule this post, or I can go with the back date, means tomorrow, yesterday I want to post and all, so I can do that. So again schedule post I can go, and here I can choose like when I want, so I can go, I can choose here 15, 16, whatever date I want, time I want. So for the whole month or for the whole week I can go and I can schedule like that. So irrespective of n number of client that I have, I can go and I can do that basically. So this is what in organic marketing I have. Those who are new to the channel, they can subscribe to get the frequent update. So thank you guys, have a great day ahead, and don't forget to press the bell icon if you haven't pressed.